Can you go and introduce yourself and introduce what we're doing today?
What are we doing today?
We're removing foam. Well, you don't have to do anything. I'm removing foam.
Hi, I'm Adam.
No, you don't need to say your name. They already know who you are. No, you don't need to.
Hi, how are you? Today we are removing foam from the ceilings.
And the walls.
And the walls.
Oh, nicely done, Adam. Nicely done. Yeah, so we've got to get it flush all the way on the ceilings and the walls. We can miss a bit under the gunnel because there's a certain bit that we need to keep insulation value.
So you're going to board this, then connect your wires to that, then do another cover. But you've got your wires here. Hang on a minute.
Say that again.
How are you going to? What's the plan? You're going to board that,
Yeah.
then put the wires on.
No.
So the wires there.
No. What we're going to do is trim it all back so each beam is flush, so there's nothing protruding. It's going to be more of an hassle than you realise because even that is a bit protruding, so that's got to be cut back. And then before we ply line, we've got to run all the cables throughout and all the plumbing throughout.
So you need to cut the notches in there and stuff.
No, because it's going to run down there and under here. So some wiring is going to be under here, and plumbing down there, and some wiring down there on both sides. Yeah, so let's get started. Right, so all of the top has to be removed, but from this point here, on both sides, that doesn't need to be removed. Okay? But all of it does. All of it does.
All of this at the top.
Yeah, but I suggest that we start at that end and work away to this point.
I believe you can get this.
Hey?
I believe you can get this.
I don't mind picking you one up if you want me to. Do you want me to? Just give me your credit card. Right. So do it from one side. What hand are you?
Right-handed.
Right, as soon as you get that side, it doesn't matter, but this bit needs to be off. Okay? Because what you've got to imagine is that bit to that bit. Right, so you've actually done that anyway. So start it like that.
So you're taking a wedge out.
Yeah. Do a couple so you can get your saw in. Like that. Yeah?
So what you're doing now, exposing the wood.
Yeah. And then you can feel it just touching it. Right? As you do it down like that, just keep pulling it back. As soon as it starts resisting, because there's foam being there, just peel it. Yeah?
Okay, so everybody, that's the bit Daniel's just
Once that's
done.
like that,
Yeah.
you'll see if it's flush. And if it's not, just put a bit of pressure on, just to do like that side. Just bring it back, yeah?
Okay,
And
so
then
that's-
obviously flip it up to do the other side.
So that's Daniel's piece he's just done. And that's the bit I've just done. Can anybody spot the difference?
Right, so about there is fine. You've got the edge of the timber just there, look. A bit higher. Oh yeah, it's up here, isn't it? There it is, yeah? That's as far as we need to go. Yeah?
Yes.
Cool.
Again, Daniel's nice piece, my nice
Yeah, but
piece.
that's on edge. It's slanted, so you don't need to. You just need to expose that edge.
So actually I had I started on the hardest piece of the boat.
Just messing about. I got chills and multiplying. Get down.
But we will move around. Come. 1, 2, 3. Now, hands. Now, count again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
This is what I did. This is
That's
what
all we have to do.
This is what I did in Russia.
That's all.
We'll do it properly then, Adam.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Really good. Have you done that before?
International.
Well, I knew you are a natural.
Obviously.
Drop it.
Well, I've had private dancing lessons when I was working.
That's how much you have to do. I said he's going to go around you. Lie down and you do the same.
Go on, then do it again. Then do it around and round. He does the most stupidest things normally, so I don't know why he's having a problem with this. Well, he's not actually, because I wouldn't have done that. That's so funny. Do this side, the saw's probably just as easy, the handsaw. To do this side, like cut the mains, the handsaw is probably the easiest saw, just as easy as doing the power. But as soon as you get in this corner and you see it, you can't do it.
I'll still get up here.
Yeah, exactly. You can't get into the corners. So the power saw is definitely the key for that. Do you remember
did have a beer.
He used to
Oh,
be
yeah.
really ugly. Now he's toned down a bit.
Doing video in it.
Yeah, so David, you can tell us all about yourself, please, mate.
I'm just a loner. Looking for some friends.
It is recorded, but
I know
do you
what
remember
I know you fucking lie. I don't take you ever serious no more.
It is, it's recorded. Right, so I've been here a good majority of the Saturday, and I've got quite a bit done, but nowhere near as much as I'd like to have got done. It's pretty heavy going, even with these reciprocating saws. My DeWalt one that I brought yesterday is very good, but I've only got the one battery and it doesn't last me an incredible amount of time. Starting to lose light outside. I don't know if you can tell, probably the camera will adjust, but yeah, it's starting to get a bit darker now. I don't want to be running the engine in the boat to charge it again. Apologies for not being able to film as much as I would like to have been able to film today. I'm a little bit unprepped really for documenting everything. I'll try and do a bit better in the next few days. I've had a great day though. I've had lots of visitors, all curious of what I'm doing. Some customers, which was nice. From my day job, some passers-by that were just curious of the great big boat on the river, on the canal. So I let them come in and have a look round, even though it's a bomb site. But I am getting there, and it was a pleasure having people around, and yeah, so I'll try a bit better with the filming for the next week or so. I'll try and do a bit better job at filming.